Today in this video we shall factorize x square plus 19x plus 88. So first we factorize the last number 88. So it is 2 times 44 mean 88, 2 times 22 mean 44, 2 times 11 mean 22. So now we got 2, 2, 2 and 11. Among these numbers we have to make 19. So 2 times 2 mean 4, 4 times 2 mean 8, and this 11. So 8 plus 11 means 19. So it becomes x square plus 8x plus 11x plus 88. So 8x plus 11x means 19x. So now we find out the common factors in these both first expression and these both last expression. So in the first, the common is x. So remainder is x plus 8. In the last, the common is plus 11. So remainder x plus 11 times 8 mean 88. So it is 8. So now we again find common in first and last expression. So both contain x plus 8 and x plus 8. So common is x plus 8 and the remainder in first x, in the last plus 11. So x plus 8 and x plus 11 are required factors. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.